All right, here we are about a day later. I got the frame all set up. It's on its side right now, door side down, because I'm putting the screen mesh on the back side, and it was just easier to work on it like this. This one joint down here keeps coming loose, so I'm gonna have to put some Gorilla Tape on that one to tighten it up. So I got the other side to do still. I don't think I'm gonna get to it today. It's already getting hot, and I had a lot of other chores to do inside the house, so I didn't get to it yet. But this is a kind of midway point. When it's all said and done, this is my earth box with my 2 tomato plants and my basil in it. The tomatoes are getting to the point to where I need to start pruning them and trestling them. And I'm gonna hang string trestle from either the roof of this bad boy, or actually have poles that go on the side of the earth boxes with a pole across the top. I'll probably trestle from that way if I need to roll it around, I still can. But the tomato plants are doing well. I've already got one bit of flowering going on that guy. That's Burpee's hybrid Brandywine pinks. So those ought to be really tasty. And these are the bodacious, or hybrid bodacious or something like that. I don't know, I've heard mixed things about them. They're not gonna be very good. There's my other earth box. I haven't planted it yet. I still need to mound the rest of the dirt in it. But here are the Roma tomatoes there. I need to get them out of their transfer cases and into that hopefully by tomorrow. That's my goal tomorrow. This is my herb box. And I'm gonna plant this with chives and green onions to help suppress avids and things of that nature. And I got some marigolds out here to kind of help keep the other worms away so they're not chewing on my plants. All right, well, it's a quick update. I'll take another video once I get this put back together a little bit more and it starts to take its permanent shape.